Research suggests Bajisitan's vision is to bridge Pakistan and China in construction trade. It seems likely they aim to ease material buying and selling, focusing on Chinese customers. The evidence leans toward eliminating language and documentation barriers. Vision statement. Bajisitan's vision appears to be creating a seamless exchange of business, culture and language between Pakistan and China, making construction material transactions easier, especially for Chinese customers and the global market, by addressing language and documentation challenges. Context and support. This vision aligns with their strategic pivot in 2015, focusing on construction materials tied to the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPC, suggesting a focus on fostering greater cultural and business collaboration. Bajisitan Construction Materials. Company's vision, a detailed survey note. Bajisitan, identified as a construction materials company based in Karachi, Pakistan, has a vision that reflects its strategic positioning within the regional and international construction sector, particularly in relation to the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC. This survey note provides a comprehensive analysis of the company's vision, drawing from official sources and contextual information available as of 1:19 a.m. PKT on Wednesday, June 25, 2025. Company background and context. Bajisitan was founded by Abdul Sattar Qasim in Karachi's timber market, initially focusing on the wood business. This phase continued successfully until 2015, when the company recognized the evolving demands and opportunities, especially with the development of CPEC. At this point, it strategically pivoted to construction materials, forging crucial agreements tied to CPEC initiatives. Since then, the company has expanded to offer a comprehensive range of construction materials both online and in-store, making quality materials accessible under one roof. Today, Wasim Sattar, the CEO since 2022, leads the company, continuing its mission to support Pakistan's construction industry. The company's focus on CPEC is evident from its website, where it states, "Our main focus is on CPEC," indicating a strong alignment with infrastructure projects under this bilateral initiative. CPEC, a 3,000 kilometers infrastructure network project, aims to enhance trade and connectivity between China and Pakistan, addressing electricity shortages, developing infrastructure, and modernizing transportation networks. Vision statement and analysis. The vision of Bajisitan, as stated on their official About Us page, is to bridge the gap between Pakistan and China by creating a seamless exchange of business, culture, and language. This vision is specifically aimed at making the buying and selling of building materials easy for Chinese customers and the global market alike, with a commitment to eliminating language and documentation challenges. This approach enables smooth transactions from home, enhancing access and fostering greater cultural and business collaboration. This vision is not merely aspirational, but is supported by the company's operational strategy. For instance, their website includes sections in multiple languages, suggesting an effort to cater to international, particularly Chinese, clients. The emphasis on eliminating language barriers is crucial in the context of CPEC, where cross-border trade and collaboration require effective communication and streamlined processes. Strategic alignment with CPEC. The pivot to construction materials in 2015, as mentioned in their history, was directly tied to CPEC's development. This alignment is further evidenced by their product categories, which include materials like cement, concrete, steel, and lumber, all essential for the large-scale infrastructure projects under CPEC, such as roads, energy projects, and industrial zones. The company's vision to bridge Pakistan and China thus seems to be a practical extension of its business model, aiming to facilitate trade and support the corridor's goals of enhancing connectivity and economic integration. Market positioning and international focus. Bajisitan's vision also reflects its market positioning as a facilitator of international trade, particularly with China. The company's commitment to making transactions easy for Chinese customers suggests a focus on export and import activities, potentially supplying materials for CPEC projects or serving Chinese contractors working in Pakistan. This is further supported by their online presence, offering direct purchasing options, which aligns with modern e-commerce trends and caters to global buyers. The elimination of language and documentation challenges is a significant aspect of their vision, addressing a common barrier in international trade. This could involve providing multilingual support, simplified customs processes, or digital platforms for seamless transactions, all of which enhance accessibility for Chinese and global markets. comparative context. To contextualize Bajisitan's vision, it is useful to compare it with other construction material companies, though none in the search results directly match Bajisitan's specific focus on Pakistan-China trade. For example, Vision Construction Supply Inc. in the US focuses on meeting customer needs within budget and schedule, while Heidelberg Materials emphasizes global leadership in building materials. Bajisitan's vision, however, is uniquely tailored to bilateral trade dynamics, reflecting the geopolitical and economic realities of CPEC. Implementing this vision may face challenges, such as language barriers, regulatory differences, and logistical complexities in cross-border trade. However, opportunities abound, given CPEC's scale and the growing demand for construction materials in Pakistan's infrastructure boom. The company's 45 completed projects, as mentioned in previous analyses, indicate experience and capability, potentially strengthening their position to realize this vision. To further dissect the vision, we can categorize it into key elements, as shown in the following table. Bridging Pakistan and China, facilitating trade and collaboration in construction materials between the two nations. Seamless exchange, creating smooth business, cultural and linguistic interactions. Ease of transactions, making buying and selling easy, particularly for Chinese customers and global markets. Eliminating barriers, removing language and documentation challenges to enhance accessibility. Fostering collaboration, enhancing cultural and business ties through improved trade relations. This table highlights the multifaceted nature of Bajisitan's vision, combining economic, cultural and operational goals. Bajisitan's vision to bridge Pakistan and China in the construction materials sector is a strategic response